Introducing the DW Fritz Zero Touch, a robust, shop floor ready, non-contact metrology platform that captures millions of data points per second in just one scan, up to 10 times faster than a traditional CMM. Zero Touch's CAD-based software provides easy, automated generation of part measurement plans incorporating motion path creation, simulation, and sensor parameter settings with no specialized programming required. Zero Touch features a patented bridge 5-axis metrology platform, including a rotating bridge that achieves part inspection speeds up to 10 times faster than conventional tactile coordinate measuring machines. Zero Touch is easy to use. Simply place the part in the machine and the intuitive user interface will guide the operator through the inspection process. No specialized programming skills are needed to create the inspection part programs. This highly configurable system simultaneously measures multiple part features and complex geometries such as bores, undercuts, knife edges, and chamfers, in addition to complex surface topology measurements such as surface finish, color, and gloss. For nearline applications, an optional microenvironment unit can be easily installed to help regulate the temperature in the measuring environment. Zero Touch offers the accuracy, precision, and speed that manufacturers need to optimize inspection cycle times in production environments. Zero Touch. Speed, precision, quality.